Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Geeked. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use InVideo Vision, an incredible tool that turns your simple ideas into cinematic storyboards. Whether you're working on a video project, an ad, or just brainstorming new ideas, InVideo Vision helps you bring your vision to life quickly and easily. Let's get started. First things first, head over to InVideo's website. When you're on the home page, you'll notice a button labeled InVideo Vision. It's right there in the main menu, and all you have to do is click it to start. InVideo Vision is a powerful AI tool that helps you create cinematic storyboards from simple ideas. When you click on InVideo Vision, you'll be brought to a new section where you can start entering your idea. It's as simple as that. Once you're in InVideo Vision, it's time to create your storyboard. Here's where it gets fun. The first step after opening the tool is to choose the style for your storyboard. You'll see a bunch of different options like looks, boards, and angles. Each of these options will give your storyboard a different look. For example, if you choose looks, the shots will have a specific visual style. And if you choose boards, it will arrange your frames in a traditional storyboard format. You can also experiment with angles, which helps you see how different camera angles will affect the scene. So, depending on the mood you want to create, these options let you explore different creative approaches. Let's go ahead and select boards, since we want to create a traditional storyboard with multiple angles and shots. Now, the next step is super easy. In the text field, type in a simple sentence that describes the idea you want to visualize. It can be as simple as a man walking through a busy street or a dog running through a park. Once you've typed in your idea, just hit Generate My Video, and InVideo Vision will automatically turn your description into a cinematic storyboard in a few seconds. Once you click on Generate My Video, InVideo Vision will take that simple idea and turn it into a 9-shot storyboard. Here's the magic. Instead of just showing you one frame or one idea, the tool arranges everything into a smooth, cinematic sequence. All the shots will flow together with consistent lighting, angles, and tones. As you can see here, the tool has generated 9 shots based on the simple idea we typed in. Each shot is connected to the next, just like a real film or ad. And what's amazing is that the lighting, tone, and style stay consistent throughout, giving it that professional look. Now let's say you want to use one of these shots on its own. Maybe you need just one shot for a specific scene or project. InVideo Vision makes it easy to extract individual shots from your storyboard. Simply click on the Extract Shot button, and you can select the shot you want to use. Once you've chosen the shot, it's available for download, upscaling, or further editing. For example, we'll extract shot 2 here. Now, we can use this single frame in our project. This is perfect for those times when you just need a particular moment without having to start from scratch. Another cool feature is that InVideo Vision lets you brainstorm and test multiple ideas without spending credits. You can generate several different storyboards from different ideas, see which one works best, and then go with the one that suits your vision. This is a fantastic way to explore different visual approaches for your project. It saves you time and allows you to think creatively without worrying about your budget or running out of credits. Once you've created the perfect storyboard and extracted your favorite shots, InVideo Vision lets you continue refining your work within the same platform. You can enhance your shots, animate them, or even export them to use in your final video. All of this happens within one smooth workflow, meaning you don't have to jump between apps or tools. Just work in InVideo Vision, from idea generation to production-ready shots. And the best part? InVideo Vision is free. That's right, you can create and experiment with your storyboards without spending a penny. But if you need even more advanced options, like additional models or higher creative limits, you can always upgrade to the generative plan, which gives you extra features and credits for even more possibilities. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to create cinematic storyboards using InVideo Vision. From brainstorming your ideas, creating professional-looking storyboards, to extracting shots and refining your project, InVideo Vision has it all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments how InVideo Vision has helped with your creative process. Thanks for watching.
If it's